HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art. Hello kids, don't you love sports? Let's draw a football. Draw pentagons in the circle and connect them all together. Let's paint with dark grey. And light grey too. And that's how easy it is to make a football. For the next one, draw a circle and color in with orange. Can you guess which sports ball this is? And now draw the curvy lines. Yes! Here is our basketball. On to the next one. A ball with 3 sections. And draw curvy lines inside each. Let's paint with blue, yellow, and a light sky blue. Done! A volleyball! Now, next, draw a circle, 2 semicircles within. Let's paint with fluorescent green. Great! And a light grey. Yay! Our tennis ball looks great! Next one is super easy. A ball with 3 small circles. Paint it grey. Do you know which sports ball this is? Smaller circles with black. That's right, a bowling ball! Wasn't it fun drawing all these cool sports balls?